What's up, people? Friday afternoon here in Columbus, Ohio. Great sunny day. What's going on? Just promoting, doing this video on what I've been talking about with some people lately in the last few days on what is a sales funnel, okay? Those are one of the things that a lot of people in our business are trying to convey out to newbies that are in this business of what really is a sales funnel. Sales funnel is a basically like a mini website, and it takes you to a journey through the process of whatever it is that you're selling. Okay. One of the things about sales funnel helps is to build a list, and a lot of people don't like to get on email lists. The purpose of the email list is to give two things: to help you build your list, to convey information back out to people who raise their hand about whatever it is that you're offering. And second is to give customers, keep them engaged with what you know. Now, you only get on an email list if you engage or you get the value of what this person is saying, and you want to keep following, keep being engaged, keep getting information on what they have to offer. The only reason why you would get on the email list because you were interested, you like what they're saying, you dig what they're saying, and that's the only reason why you would get on the email list is to keep engaged, keep getting that updated information. And one of the things of what you use in a blog post is the same thing. Your newsletter from a blog post, okay? Your newsletter is to engage your most engaging customers, followers in what you're doing. And that's what part of the sales funnel does, is to keep you engaged on what's happening in whatever niche you're building or you're building your business in, is to keep those people engaged on what's happening, how everything is going, just keep engaged. It's just like a subscription. You know how you get every month you get a subscription to Jet or Ebony or Inside Kung Fu or whatever it is. Those are the kind of things these technologies allow you to do. You know, I get a lot of people who get kind of caught up in this thing about, well, I get all these emails and da-da-da-da. Well, you know what? You can use either the legitimate emails let you unsubscribe. On the bottom of the email, they say you can unsubscribe from the list. So don't get caught up in so much that you can't get out of doing something or doing this and that. You gotta subscribe to it. It's just like you get too much mail, you throw that mail away. You get too many magazines, you unsubscribe from them magazine lists. Ain't no different. It's just a faster, easier way to do it using technology this way. I guess we got a lot of people who are so caught up in being scared of technology because of the way it's hit critical mass in the last few years. It's changed the way we do business, it's changed the way we communicate, changed the way we engage with each other. Which, on a note, is great. It's leveraging. You can engage with people clear across the pond. I got a friend that I talked to yesterday, called me. She was here over the last month. I use an app called WhatsApp. And have this type of technologies to call people clear 6,000 miles across the pond. Okay? Those are the things that I'm talking about. And I don't know why people get so upset over this stuff. Is engaging technology. It's just like anything else. Yeah, people misuse things. People do this, do that. But at the end of the day, it's supposed to make our lives a lot easier to stay connected with people we care about. You know, even when they live 6,000 miles across the pond. Those are the kind of things that technology helps with. You can stay connected with family. You can do all that. We used a conference call thing, a conference video thing called Zoom, which allows you to do. I think it's more engaging than the thing that people use today. What's it? Webinars on there, or webinar something. It's a webinar software, and you can have a lot of people, especially if you're planning some kind of event for next year, family reunion. If you want to set up a committee, Zoom is a great tool that you can get those people together on a call that you can all see each other, okay? and you don't get to travel somewhere and waste. People can't get off to do everything. This is what technology does. Is a leveraging a tool for everybody to engage with. That's all it is, a leveraging tool. I guess people get upset because of the way. But we shouldn't. Well, I'm gonna put it this: we shouldn't get upset because our kids know how to do this better than us. I don't have any kids, but I understand sometimes kids may be using those tools and the parents don't understand because they don't know how they work. Okay, learn how they work. You may have a better relationship with your children. Maybe help you with some stuff that you keep doing old school. Like I remember my mother one time was doing all this running around first of the month. I always have to go pay a bill here, pay a bill here. I said, Mom, why don't we just do this stuff online? Set up an account for your bank, go set up a payee thing, and you can pay all your bills online. Why run around trying to pay all these bills? That makes sense. Enjoy your life, people. You only got one time around here. Why waste the time doing those type of things? I went to school totally online, finished my degree totally online. I wouldn't have done it any other way. That's why I did it that way. That's the joy of leveraging online tools, online things. I do business, like on this video. I teach people to have about learning to have a smartphone or laptop lifestyle. Those are going to be some of the tools that information that you're going to get from me, from my communication, from my blog posts. I'm going to have these blog posts be coming out every Friday around this time, about 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, on just different things that are going on to help you in your business. These are only directed for people who are interested in online businesses, developing the business that they have, or wanting to bring their businesses online themselves, okay? This is what this is for, not anything else. I'm not communicating with those who don't want this. I mean, if you are interested in anything, then hit me up, respond to my posts, my blogs, email me. You can get on the newsletter here, Gregorysmith.online is my newsletter. You can get that information and get more engaging stuff to help you with doing whatever you want to do. Because in today, hey, the digital age ain't going nowhere, folks. It's here to stay. It's gonna move forward, more forward than ever. It is what it is, and you either be in front of the history, you're gonna be behind. It don't care what you want, what you don't like. It's gonna do whatever it is. It's like I had a friend was arguing with me about. When I used to work for a company called AirNet. AirNet was like a transportation thing, but they did stuff for banks and medical. And the biggest revenue came from the banking industry. But when Check 21 came about, that was like 1998, 99. It cut into the revenue very big and caused a lot of people to lose their job because banks were doing a lot of different things. People weren't writing checks. Debit cards at that time came out. So everything was going digital, Banks are going to look at you and say, well, okay, our customers are consuming products and services using debit cards. They're doing it this way instead of the old school way with sending out checks. So that cut back on their expense, having to send out May checks, how to send out statements. And I'm not saying that totally, but less and less people are doing things with checks and getting statements. Now that everything is being digital, you get your statement online, or you got apps that can go see your statement online. They're not wasting time to do the things that they used to do because people are consuming, looking at information in a different way, digitally. And the more we understand this, the more business understand that. Look what happened to Blockbuster. Blockbuster didn't keep up with the changing times because of what happened with Netflix came about. Everything went digital. Everything went MP3, or the video, or the CDs went passe. So everything went digitally. You can download stuff today, download movies and stuff, and they couldn't keep up. This is what happened with the what's that bookstore? Borders Bookstore couldn't keep up. The only reason Barnes and Noble is still around today because they got Nook. Nook was the saving grace because they took their books and emerged and kept up with the times digital reading. Okay, so understanding what's happening in the marketplace will help you survive in the business, whatever it is that you may be in. understanding those type of things, and that's my job to help you keep abreast, help you keep engaged, help you be in the know on what's going on digitally. Because let me face it, who's telling you this? Not many people are gonna be telling you this. If you're in network marketing is great, but a lot of the network marketing still are old school. They still do old school ways. Yeah, it may work, but how well does it work? I hear people say, well, those things still work. They still work great. But how well do they work? We don't want just things that just work. Stagecoach works. Okay? Using patent turn and walking works. But how well does it work? Would you rather take a boat or fly to Europe? Well, it depends on how much time you got, okay? But what I'm saying to you is that efficiency, leveraging is the name of the game. Automation is the name of the game, especially in business. If you want to have a laptop lifestyle, doing things that you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it, learn technology, learn to leverage to buy back your time. This is what businesses do. This is what billion and millionaires do to spend time to do what they want to do, to spend time on the beaches of the world with friends and loved ones the way they want to do and still make mailbox money on automation. Okay? With that understanding, that being said, I hope you got value in this video. I hope you enjoyed some of the stuff that I'll be sending you out through my blog post, my latest blog post on what is the sales funnel. I'll put the link down there so you can go visit that, check it out, give me some thumbs up and some shares, or if you like it, if you engage well with it, if you value what it was being said, share it out to your colleagues, share it out to people who may get value from it. All right, people. You everybody have a nice Friday. It's sunny, warm here. I'm gonna go. This is the weekend of Festival Latino here in Columbus, Ohio. Starts tomorrow, runs through Sunday. Going out tonight, probably dance to start off with this with the festival out up north somewhere. People, peace. Take care. I'm out of here. Take care. Be safe this weekend. And we'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Later.